Hey, aloha everyone, Chef Regi here with Aloha Shoyu, and today we have a special episode to celebrate Gau Gee Min Choi. Yes, Chinese New Year. Today we'll be making a simple, easy, classical Chinese dish using Aloha Shoyu products. And if you haven't yet, check out our website at alohashoyu.com and subscribe. There you'll see past recipes we've done and today's recipe as well. So with no further ado, today's recipe we'll be doing is crispy Gau Gee with cake noodle. For this recipe, you'll be needing some chow mein egg noodles. Vegetables that we will saute will have some sugar snap peas, baby bok choy. We have bamboo shoots. We have sliced water chestnut, some char siu pork, dried shitake mushroom. We'll also add the liquid that we use to rehydrate them. We got napa cabbage, also known as won bok. Then we'll saute them in sesame oil. We'll add some chicken stock, Aloha Shoyu's original blend, along with oyster sauce. We'll thicken it up with some cornstarch. We had some leftover Gau Gee Min from our previous recipes that we freezed and saved. It was from our Monday poo-poos dish. Check it out on our Instagram page for recipe and procedure. Crispy Gau Gee with cake noodle. So we'll just put into the fryer at 360 degrees for probably 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, our water is ready and it's time to drop in our noodles. Since these noodles that we got have been already pre-steamed and dried, it doesn't take much time to cook it. So we're just going to drop it in for like probably 10 seconds to 15. So we're taking our noodles, we're going to drop it into our boiling water. And like I said, it doesn't take too much time, maybe like just 10 to 15 seconds. Get it in. And we're going to stir it real quick in that hot water, making sure they're all separated. And that's it. Get every last noodle in there, and we're just going to wash it. Alright, here we are with our noodles. We have it on a sheet pan lined with some paper towels to drain some of the excess water. Now that our noodles are done, let's just set them aside and continue on with the recipe. We'll add a little bit of oil. Now we're just going to put in our egg noodles into the pan. Make sure that you want to spread around evenly. We're just going to let this cook until the bottom gets crispy. Alright, from time to time you just want to give the pan a little shake to see that it's not sticking on the bottom. Alright guys, been cooking our noodles for probably 4 minutes on low heat to medium. Now the moment of truth is when we will flip our pan to do the other side of the noodles. Just be careful doing this. I'm gonna flip it one time. hoping that it'll land in the pan. Here we go. All right. Awesome. All right, guys. So we have our noodles that's been browning on the other side for 4 minutes. It should be done. We'll just put it on a cutting board, let it rest so it can settle, and we can cut it into little squares. And then we'll work on our vegetables. All right, we're gonna start off with our hot pan. We are gonna add sesame oil to this. Start off with our Napa cabbage. Our soup pork in. Give that a little toss. Sugar snap peas. Our water chestnut. Bamboo shoot in. Toss. Stir frying. We'll put in our baby bok choy in. And then our shitake mushroom. Give that pan a little moisture. And like I said, we're going to add a little bit of that broth, that shiitake water. Give that some flavor. Now we're going to add Aloha Shoyu, original blend. Oyster sauce. Chicken stock. Just give it so it's the vegetable steams. Our sauce is boiling away. We're going to add our slurry to it to thicken it up, and we'll toss everything, and we're ready to plate. Adding our slurry, cornstarch and water. And we'll just give this a toss. And now that we have our vegetable done, our crispy Gau Gee fried, our cake noodle, now it's ready to plate. First, let's put some cake noodle on the bottom of the plate. And then we'll top it off with our stir-fried vegetables with char siu, flavored with Aloha Shoyu's original blend. And then we'll take our crispy Gau Gee and we'll just put it around the plate like so. And there you have it. Crispy Gau Gee Min cake noodle for Chinese New Year. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed that delicious, simple, easy recipe of crispy Gau Gee Min with cake noodle. If you guys want that recipe, check out our website at alohashoyu.com. Thank you for joining us, and on behalf of Aloha Shoyu, we want to wish all of you guys a happy Chinese New Year.